Hey guys, happy Saturday. Today my husband and I went to our friend's birthday breakfast. That was really fun, and now we're home and I'm super excited because we are about to put together our brand new bed. So Lull sent us a new mattress, a foam mattress, a bed frame, new sheets, pillows. Basically we're getting a whole full bed makeover. I'm so excited to just lay out on it. So yeah, let's go. It's here. Look at that cool lion. Why is he just so fly? Okay, so Elvin already put together the wood bed frame. I really like the color of the wood. It matches the top of our little nightstand tables. And if you have a hard time with the planks, like keeping the wood planks in place, then I recommend drilling them down. We got our little toolbox over there, and that'll just help them to stay in a little more sturdy. But yeah, I'm really loving the size of everything. We're trying to decide if we want to put our box springs on top of the wood frame and then the mattress on top of that. So we're gonna try it and see which one we like better. So the boxes are pretty big to be in the space we have over here, so it's in the hallway. But it's crazy to think that the mattress just came out of this box. Oh, this feels nice. I can't wait to sleep on this. Can you?
Me?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking to
the camera.
Your,
Can you guys
followers.
like not wait to sleep on this? So we're gonna wait 24 hours and let the mattress expand, and then I will get back to you and let you know how we slept.
So where are we sleeping tonight?
Here. Hey guys, good morning. So I am super excited because I recently got a new camera. Yay! The one that I've been using for the past like year and a half ish is a thicker, like chunkier DSLR camera, and that's better for like sit down videos, but I can't pick that up and take it with me and vlog. So I'm so excited. I got this new camera, and if you're wondering, I have the Canon EOS M50. So it's a smaller vlogging camera, like specifically made for vlogging. It has a little flip out screen on the side so I can see when I'm in focus. So I'm really excited about it because a lot of you have actually asked me to do more vlogging, and especially when I go on trips or when I go out of town for like jobs or whatever, I do want to bring you guys along, and I was never able to do that before, so I'm so excited to do that now. And right now I'm standing in my kitchen. There's a big old mess on the table that I have to get to in a bit, and I just want to be real with you guys and show you about my life. So before I get into anything, these dishes need to be washed. I live with two men, my husband and my brother, and dishes pile up fast in this house, so I'm gonna get to that. So while I'm doing that, I'm just letting my hair air dry. I didn't put on any makeup yet, but yeah, I've been doing that lately, like letting my hair air dry a little more than I used to. I used to just diffuse my hair immediately after washing it, or styling it I should say, and that does work for some people, but I don't know. I wanted to try this, and I am liking the results diffusing a little bit later. I don't have like a set time or anything. I know some people like wait 1 hour or wait 2 hours or wait till their hair is 90% dry. I kind of just like do whatever I have to do around the house, or whatever I have to do that day, and then when I get to it, then I'll start diffusing. But my hair is usually like maybe 50% dry. I don't feel like there's a major difference in my results, but I do feel like there's a difference in my hair overall. I feel like it's less dry feeling when I don't diffuse immediately. So yeah, after I do what I have to do, I will come back and diffuse my hair. And look at these flowers. They're so beautiful. I got them from Trader Joe's. I put them right next to the window, next to the sink, so when I look at this ugly behind pile of dishes, I can see some type of beauty as I wash them. So let me go do that and I will be back. Okay, 20 something minutes later, the dishes are finally clean. So you can see sink is nice and empty. I have a love-hate relationship with washing dishes. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Sometimes it's therapeutic. I'll put on like a YouTube video or a podcast and I'll just watch it, listen to it, let it play while I'm washing dishes. Other times I'm just not in the mood and I just let it pile up super high and then hate myself later because I have to wash it all. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have a love-hate relationship too, because I know I'm not the only one. Look how much my hair dried though while I was washing dishes. I definitely have a cast right now, so I'm like gently scrunching it out, and now I'm going to diffuse my hair and then continue getting ready for the day. Okay, so the hair is done, the makeup is done, I'm ready to start my day. But first I wanted to tell you about this necklace, guys. I'm obsessed with this necklace. Look at it. Get in focus, there we go. I am obsessed. It's so pretty. So this necklace is from the Noonday Collection. It's that company. I told you guys about it last week, I believe it is. I posted it on Instagram, on my Instagram stories, and on YouTube stories, now that they have that. And I told you guys that this company in particular, and this is not sponsored by the way, I bought this with my own money. I'm just talking about it because I love it. This company provides jobs for women in like third world countries who basically live in like poverty. So they provide them with jobs. They're able to make these beautiful pieces and obviously they get paid for it. And it's so cool because the company is very close, like they work directly with the artisans who make the jewelry. So you see like on the website pictures of the artisans and their families, their children, their stories. So you're seeing directly the result of your purchase, which I love. I'm so like passionate about this company. I just found out about it a couple weeks ago, so I immediately like signed up as an ambassador. I just love it. So you guys are gonna see me wearing their jewelry a lot. Unfortunately, don't be sad, I'm so sorry, but this piece in particular is sold out. I think how it works with their company is once it's done, it's done. So it's like, it kind of sucks, but at the same time it's kind of cool because you know that like once you get it, it's limited and not like everybody is gonna have it. So I actually had to buy this from somebody else who was selling theirs because it's not even on the website anymore. But don't worry because they have tons of beautiful pieces of jewelry, and I actually am gonna do a haul, which I'm super excited about. I'm gonna do a haul all about the jewelry that I bought. I'm just waiting for a few more pieces to come, and then once I have all my stuff, I'm gonna do a haul and show you guys all the pieces that I have that I love. I'll show you a little sneak peek of what I have. I wore these on Instagram recently. I love these bangles so much. These I believe are made in India. These I think are made in India too. Super cute. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. And then this is just my little box of all my Noonday Collection stuff. They come in these adorable little baggies. Super cute. So be on the lookout for that. I'm really excited about joining this company because I feel like it's really making a difference. And how often can I make a difference in the life of somebody like in Africa or India or East Asia, in the areas of poverty? Like I can't reach those people like on my own. So helping this company, purchasing things that I love that I would buy already, putting money in their pocket, I just really love it. I'm excited about it. So yeah, and before I go, let me tell you guys what I think about this bed. Okay guys, so now that I slept in this bed for a few days, I can finally tell you my thoughts and my review on the bed. So the mattress that my husband and I had prior to this one, we had for about 6.5 years. So the mattress had a foam topper as well. And the immediate difference that I noticed from this mattress to my old one was that this one was a lot more firm in a good way. So my old mattress was really soft, but it was a little too soft. So once we slept on this bed, we immediately felt the difference because it's soft, but it has a firmness to it. So the first 2 nights were pretty firm because we had to let the foam expand. But once it expanded, it felt so comfortable. Like my husband helped me realize, hey, like, did you notice that we both woke up and didn't mention anything about being sore? And I was like, oh my gosh, yes. Because our last mattress, because it was like extra soft, my neck would be sore all the time. Every time I woke up, I have a little like massage machine, and I would put that on in the morning, not even realizing like I just woke up. I shouldn't feel sore. I should feel rested. So sleeping in this bed, I kid you not, I slept throughout the night. I didn't wake up in the middle of the night like I usually do. And with my old mattress, I never would have even realized that there was an issue because I had nothing to compare it to. But now that I have this mattress, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is such a perfect balance. It's not too soft, it's not too firm. It's like the perfect middle ground because the top of it has the foam, but it's not like too soft to where you're like sinking and you can't get up. You're kind of like stuck in it. But it's firm enough to like contour where your body is while you're laying down. They also sent me their bedding. So this is their bedding. It came with a sheet, 2 pillows, a comforter, a duvet. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I love this comforter. It's one of those, like, it's soft and it's not heavy, but it's heavy enough to like where you feel, I don't know, like secure and warm and so comfortable at night. And the pillows are really soft too. I really like it because most of the time my husband and I go to sleep at different times. Usually I'm the one in bed first, so when I go to sleep, I don't want to be like woken up in the middle of the night. We have a king size bed, so we have a good amount of space, but even still with my old mattress, if my husband got in bed late, I would still feel him like getting into the bed. I'm a pretty light sleeper, so I wake up for anything, but I tell you, every single night that we slept on the bed, I have not woken up in the middle of the night. So I'm loving my new bed, my mattress, my sheets, the wood frame, pillows, everything. So thank you so much to Lull for sending me these items. And the good news is you guys can get $100 off of your Lull mattress order by checking out the link in my description box. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this week's vlog. I had a lot of fun doing it. I promise to do more. This is just the beginning. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box for that $100 off your Lull mattress. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.